To evaluate this integration, notice how we have 3 minus e to the x in the numerator over one value. So we're going to split this into two fractions. So we will have the integration of, we can say 3 over e to the 4x minus e to the x over e to the 4x dx. And then we're going to apply the properties of integration. So that is equal to the integration of 3 over e to the 4x dx minus the integration of e to the x over e to the 4x dx. We're going to do each one individually. Notice how I can put the 3 outside because it's a constant, and I can bring this function up to the numerator with a negative exponent. So I will do that. I will have 3 integration of e to the negative 4x dx, and then minus. I can bring the denominator with a negative exponent to the numerator, so I will have the integration of e to the x times e to the negative 4x. When we multiply the same bases, we add the exponents, so I'm going to do that in the next step. This is equal to 3, the integration of e to the negative 4x dx minus the integration of e to the x minus 4x is negative 3x dx. Now I will use the substitution method in order to solve each one individually. So for the first integration, I'm going to assume that u is equal to negative 4x. So I'm going to say u is equal to negative 4x. That will give me du is equal to negative 4 dx. Notice how I don't have negative 4 here, so I'm going to divide both sides by negative 4. These will cancel, and then I will substitute everything in this integration. So I will have 3 outside, integration of e to the u du over negative 4. I can put 1 over negative 4 outside with the 3, and then I can integrate. So this will become 3 over negative 4, and then integrate e to the u du. I know the integration of e to the u du is equal to e to the u plus c. So this will become 3 over negative 4 e to the u plus c, and eventually I can replace u with its value, which is negative 4x. So this will finally become 3 over negative 4 e to the negative 4x plus c. So this is the answer for the first part. For the second part, so this is 1 and this is 2. This is answer 1. Now for part 2, we're going to say v is equal to negative 3x. And now we want to find dv in terms of x, so dv is equal to negative 3 dx. Notice how I don't have negative 3 here, so I will divide both sides by negative 3. I have dx and I have e to the v. So this will become the integration of e to the v times dv over negative 3. I will kick 1 over negative 3 outside and then integrate normally. So this will become 1 over negative 3 or negative 1 over 3, the integration of e to the v dv. And eventually this is equal to 1 over negative 3 e to the v plus c. I'm going to replace v with its value, which is negative 3x. So this will become 1 over 3 or negative 1 over 3 e to the negative 3x plus c. So this is the final answer, number 2. So to write the final answer, we can say this is equal to 3 over 4, negative 3 over 4, or 3 over negative 4, e to the negative 4x, and then we write the other one, minus 1 over 3 e to the negative 3x plus 1 constant c. And that will be the final answer for that question.